What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Swell tokens on Coinbase. So for the first step you need a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, definitely sign up through the link in the description and you'll receive some extra benefits. For next tips on how to save money while buying crypto, definitely keep watching till the end because we give you some useful tips. Once you have signed up for the Coinbase account, you simply can log into your account, and after that you will arrive at this home page. So for the first step, we will go to the search bar right on top and we will tick in the crypto we want to buy, the Swell coin. Once you are arrived at this page of the coin, you can see there are some quite good price movements going on at the moment. It's still climbing and going down, so you can definitely use that in your advantage. And once you have decided how much money you want to spend on this coin, just tick it in the box on the right, and you will see you will receive 77,000 Swell coins for 1,000 euros. For the next step, you can select your payment method. If you click on it, different payment methods are appearing. In my case, I will leave it on my credit card for the moment. And once you have decided to buy this coin, you can review your order. And now the next tip is coming up to save a lot of money daily. If you buy these amounts of crypto daily, then you can save a lot of money with the Coinbase One subscription. As you can see, you can try it out for 7 days for free. And basically what this does is you can save trading fees on every transaction you make through Coinbase. If you buy coins, you will pay a trading fee, so a purchase fee, and that is 38 euros on this order. Imagine if you buy this like 10 times a week. Then it's going crazy. Then you already saved like around 400 euros. So definitely use this if you are trading a lot or intending to purchase a lot of crypto. Then this is a good option to save a lot of money and get yourself some extra crypto in your wallet. So once you have decided to buy this coin, click on buy now and the coins will automatically be added in my assets. I hope this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.